How to find your screenshots on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to locate where your screenshots are saved on your PC. First, press the Windows key and the print screen key at the same time to take a screenshot. From there, open File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar. At this point, click on This PC from the left side panel. From there, double-click on Pictures to open the Pictures folder. After that, look for the Screenshots folder and double-click on it to open it. In the next step, all screenshots taken using the Windows key and print screen shortcut will be saved here automatically. From here, if you use the Alt and print screen shortcut, keep in mind that this copies the screenshot to your clipboard only and does not save it automatically. You will need to paste it into an app like Paint and save it manually. At this stage, to quickly find any screenshot, open File Explorer and type Screenshots into the search bar at the top right to locate it instantly. Keep in mind, if you have changed your default save location through settings, your screenshots may be stored in a custom folder rather than the default Pictures folder. And that's it. If this guide helped you find your screenshots on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.